Okay, I'm on my laptop. I just kind of wanted to show you which one it is. Here's the title: Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener, Lamada Smart Home Device, $25.99. It's actually not too bad so far. I like it. So that's the link. Obviously, I just purchased it not too long ago, Amazon. But yeah, that's the part, and you can actually connect it with your Alexa. So it shows right there. Yeah, go ahead and try it out, and hopefully you like it just as much as I did. Alright, I just kind of unboxed everything just to kind of show you what it all comes with. Comes with the USB plug. I kind of tested it out, everything, so it's already out. But anyway, this is the module itself. USB plug that plugs into that. This is where the sensor, the magnetic sensors plug into. This is what's going to detect the door if it's open or closed. Come with a 3M tape. Pretty much self-explanatory instructions. You download this via barcode scanner and just kind of follow everything. Other than that, this is all what it looks like, and this is what you should receive. Okay, for this part, I went ahead and ran everything up. As you can see, my plugins are so high up there, so I had to figure out a way to plug it in. I used a pole, put it in the tape. That's why the tape is still on the plug. What I did was kind of ran it along with my garage door opener plug. Zip tied it. That's the module, zip tied in, not going anywhere. As far as these two plugs, brown and blue, this will be plugged in to the wall switch side. I already plugged that in along with it. You can see right here. It's the one that you press from the wall to close it and open it. So yeah, that's where you're gonna plug it in. This is unidirectional, so you can hook it up either or. You can put the brown here, the blue here, or vice versa, what you see here. The only thing I have left is the switch for the door. That way it'll sense if it's closed and open. So I'll go ahead and start running that. I'm gonna be following the garage door sensors all along to the very front at that location right here, and I'll have both of those magnetic sensors screwed in there so it'll sense if it's closed and open. But what you doing, bro? Sucks you can't get up here, huh? But
Yes, I can.
no, you can't.
Yes, I
What
can.
the? This one looks like it's fire.
I can climb up when you get
It's my
down.
garage door plug-in, but I'll go ahead and put everything back. Like I said, make sure you plug it into the switch side first. Unidirectional, universal, either or. You can do it both ways. But that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to kind of run it across over there, since yeah, my ceiling is pretty high. But I'll go ahead and start doing that and run everything. Next step. I just finished the full install. In the previous video I showed you kind of just zip tying everything together. That black wire that's going across is the sensor for the door. I just zip tied in and kind of ran it across above the door. Because as you can see, my ceiling's pretty high and I don't have a ladder to go up there. But this works just fine. Zip tied there. Put a little bit of wire holders. And on this one, you kind of have to be creative a little bit on how you mount this. The top one is, you don't really have to secure it too much. All it's holding is one screw, as you can see right there, because that's not really a moving part. The one on the bottom, that's the one I have to screw in on both sides, because that's going to be moving with the door, obviously. You might wonder why they're kind of above each other, and if you're wondering if they're going to hit or not, the answer is no. The reason being is I've kind of tested it. The top of the door itself pulls towards the back and clears it before it actually pulls. So they clear one another so it doesn't really hit. I would suggest checking everything before you start mounting everything. That way you can make sure it doesn't hit. But overall, this install only took me about 15 minutes. It's a pretty quick one. There's not really any type of hard part to do other than running all the wires. I already installed the app, tested it. It does notify you when the door is closed. It notifies you whenever it's opened. It's also have a timer that you can change from 15 minutes and it automatically close if you want to do that. But all I really wanted to do was to make sure that my kids don't leave it open. So, but yeah, if you guys are looking for a quick option, if you don't have the remotes for the garage door opener, this is the way to go. The only reason why I actually did this was I accidentally dropped and broke the Genie garage door opener, the remote one. So I ended up just purchasing this. It was only like 25 bucks and it's an Amazon choice. So it worked out. Same price as the one that doesn't control by the phone. But overall, it's a pretty easy install. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. If you don't mind, please subscribe and help me out. That'd be great. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm just here to kind of test it out real quick. For the app, I didn't use the one that it suggested. Instead, I used Tuya Smart. Just go ahead and open that. It will show right now it's closed. Obviously, it's closed. Let's go ahead and try it out. That sensor will do its job once it picks up that it's been opened. Give it a few seconds. There you go. Shows that it's open. Time to close it. Same thing, once it's closed, it'll show that it's closed. There you go. That's what that sensor does that I installed earlier. There you go. Everything is closed. That's the demo of it.